What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here. So today, before I started to modeling in Blender for the start, and today I'm just gonna show what I learned, because I never knew Blender before, but when I started to modeling, I learned through time how it works. So let's go. So when you start on Blender, you see this. So scrolling up and down will zoom, middle finger move will rotate, you can scroll down. If you hold shift and middle mouse button, you can move around. So let's go. So on the right side you have three: light, cube and camera. You can simply delete by clicking the right and press delete or press X on keyboard. That will instantly delete. People that use Blender already have problems with that, but let's go forward. Now you have layout, that's the most important. When you press the layout you will have this one, and you have an add option. If you press it you can create cube, planes, circles, all that you need. So let's create one cube. Let's add another one, it's gonna be the sphere. So we have still this, you know what's happening. On the left you have move, rotate and scale up and down. So you can click move and these three lines appear, and you just press on one. That's, for example, the blue one will go up and down. If you want 2D, as you can see, I'm not sure if it's visible, but you have small box here, and if you press this one it will go on 2D axis with green and red. If you press this one, will go up, and you see it's 2D rotation. But anyway, let's go back. So what you can do, you can now zoom, rotate, or scale up. That's completely up to you. That's right, that's good, right? So you have even the resize and everything here when you press it. So how do advanced techniques? So first off, let's go and let's see what's on the right side. Now the first, these are few buttons. The first few buttons are only for a project. On these buttons below, you see there's like a gap in between. You have for only what applies to selected object. So all of these that I'm clicking right now applies to selected object. So first is obviously position, rotation, and all of this. You can use mouse, drag and down, scale, up. It makes already things, right? And you can do all of these. But most important is transform. The next one is modifier. Modifier is like additional effects to it. Each one have different ones. The level is going to be the first that I will show you. That's the most useful. You can select amount and how many segments. So basically the level, all edges create into the small rounded box. And let's say that you would like to apply this, you just press this button and select apply, and the modifier will be removed and will be applied to the object itself, which means you can go back. But if you don't want to go, you can press this and press delete. This is small X button, press it and it's gonna delete it. Now each one you can try by itself what it's gonna do. Let's go array. The array is basically a repeater. First you select how much will be the space. And the second one is the count. You see, that just repeat. That's easy if you want to make galaxy example. You have billions of stars. You can do this, or you can press X and so on. So as you can see, you can change the position. So you have constant offset. It's completely up to you. You can select it, do different stuff. Object offset, merge. Yeah, merge actually joins them together. I haven't explored that much, but this one looks like you're just merging the objects together. So you know what else you can do with this. Okay, let's go forward. This is the particles if you like to multiply them. So just gonna delete the array for now. So basically that's called modifiers. It's just additional effect. So this one, yeah, that's particle. We'll press play. The box is now making particles, so I haven't fully understand how this works exactly. Not sure exactly how to put it back and so on, so let's go forward. This is now the physics. Yeah, I have to remove the particle first because I won't be able to. Oh, that's part of modifier, okay. We go back to the particle. I'm just gonna delete cube first because it's gonna be faster. Yeah, I'm not that good, but I'll learn through that. The next part is physics. The one of the most useful is rigid body. And when you press play, it's supposed to rigid body makes physics to the object. You have everything from the, what can I say, Gravity, if you have multiple objects, it's just gonna bounce off, so that's basically making an object actual physics to it. This one, the object constant, so you have different stuff. Now the most important is the materials. If you press new right here, it will open, you can change the base color and everything. And basically, yeah, that's how it looks right now when you change color. So what I learned, actually, you can switch up right corner from the wireframe to objects, to the objects with working materials, and basically working object which is dark because there's no light. Otherwise, we have here up modeling and everything that's gonna show shortly. You have here object mode, it says. If you press it and go for the edit mode, now we can edit everything. You have 3 buttons here. One is the dots, and each one works exactly as before. You can scale them up, move them around, as you can see. So this is for the dots, this is for the lines. You can move the entire line. And this is for the faces. Why would you use that? For example, if you want to scale down the face, you see it works really fast. You can do everything basically with this. You have shortcuts, even like this, you can split it and move it left and right. Check out this what I did right now. I make multiple components here, so you can actually move it all around if you would like to. But yeah, that's basically what I learned. Maybe you will find help, maybe in future if I learn more I'll do better videos. But yeah, that's it for now. Nejc Filipič, and see you next time. Goodbye.